Alright, let's talk about combinations. So, when we did permutations, the order mattered. In combination, order doesn't matter. So we're going to do this just slightly different. So, if we had 8 different things to pick from, and we're going to pick 3 of them. So 8 combinations of 3. Actually, I think you said that, 3 combinations of 8. Alright, anyways, what you would do is the same as we started with before. We're going to do 8 times 7 times 6. But then we're going to make a ratio out of this, and we're going to do the 3. So 3 times 2 times 1. So you're just doing 3 combinations of 8, so 8, 7, 6, and then divide that by 3, 2, 1. So 8 times 7 is 56, and then 56 times 6 is 336, and then 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 1 is 6. So now you got to do 336 divided by 6, which when you divide that out, 6 goes into 35 times with 3 left over, so 6 goes into 36 6 times, so 56. So 8 combinations of 3 would be 56. Alright, so let's do another one. So 6 combinations of 2. So you would have 6 times 5 over 2 times 1. So 6 times 5 is 30. Oops. Two times 1 is 2. Divide that out, you'd have 15 combinations. Alright, so you order a 3-topping pizza out of 15 topping choices. So the way that would look like as a combination would be 15 combination 3. So write that out, it'd be 15 times 14 times 13 over 3 times 2 times 1. So let's work that out. So 15 times 14 times 13 is going to give you 2730 over 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. And then you're going to divide that 2730 divided by 6 to get 455. Now if you wanted to make this a little easier, you could actually simplify this before you did all that multiplication. So let me show you that. So if we had 15 times 14 times 13 over 3 times 2 times 1, you can reduce 14 over 2 to be 7 over 1, and 15 over 3 would be 5 over 1. So then you have 1 times 1 times 1, 5 times 7 times 13. So 5 times 7 is 35 times 13 would be 455. So you don't have to do it that way, since you guys can use calculators, but just showing you if you wanted to do it by hand, you can make it easier before you do your multiplication. Alright, let's just do a couple more. So let's say we have 10C5. So that'd be 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So this looks pretty big, but again, you can multiply or you can simplify before you multiply here. So 10 and 5 reduced to 2 and 1. 9 and 3 reduced to 3 and 1. 8 and 4 reduced to 2 and 1. And then 6 and 2 reduced to 3 and 1. So all I got left on bottom are 1s. So then I do 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. Now all I have to work out is 36 times 7, which is 252. So my answer for 10C5 would be 252. Now obviously that's not possible on everything, but for that one it was pretty easy to do without breaking out the calculator. So let's do one more. Let's say we had 50C3. So that would be 50 times 49 times 48 over 3 times 2 times 1. So work that out. 50 times 49 times 48 would be 1,167,000. Over 6. So divided by 6, you get 19,600. So that was a big one. I just wanted to show you that they can get pretty big. You won't see that too often in 8th grade, but if you do, you know, sometimes the numbers get big on you.